What's going on, guys? For Memorial Day, we done Memorial Resurrection of the 670 car. What? Got chopsticks in here doing some soldering. We got all this braced up and welded up, mounts for the jack shaft. Looks good. We got the engine mount put in. Got the braces and the mounts for the chain drive. If you look right here, this is the way the chain's gonna go. We're gonna go with two number 35 chains down to our dual sprockets. They'll be adjusted. Should be plenty. We got the shocks on the back. We got the swing arm mounted up. Y'all seen us put the seats in a live stream. He's working on the wiring now.
Trying.
Everything's going to be pretty much mocked up but rideable. And we're going to take everything back and adjust. Our main thing is to get it rideable and adjust on our gearing. Everything is so close. You can see down through there the chain and sprocket just got enough clearance, but everything's coming together. Got all our cables hooked up. Belt, I hope we got it right. It's pretty tight, but we've got adjustment here on the motor to move the motor back and forth, and I think we'll be golden. We still got to do brakes. Got to get all this melted carnage off and put our new brake system on off the donor cart. And
the donor.
It's got camera face.
Ding, by the done.
We got a bird nest of wires. It's gonna look good though. Get some nice little underglow lights in. We still got harnesses and brakes.
But ding ding.
Hey guys, it's been a long night. We worked on the Yamadog most of the night, all of the night, and we run into a spark issue. If you want to go check out the live stream on TARDSQUAD, he live streamed the whole event, but it was a nightmare. I had a bad switch to begin with, which was mainly our main issue, but we also found some wires that had been melted along the life of the snowmobile. And along with pulling on that rope so many times trying to start it, ended up fouling the plugs. So I'm gonna go back tomorrow after work and I'm gonna pick up some new plugs. We also discovered that the main jet for the carburetor had vibrated loose, and I popped the bowl loose on the car to see if it had any water or anything in it, and the jet was just laying in the bottom of the bowl.
And you are one pathetic loser.
So that just tells me that we need to go through and do a volt check on everything. That's been set for years. But thanks for coming in. I'm going home and hitting the bed. It's been a long day. I'll check in with y'all tomorrow. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, share the channel, share the video. But as always, be safe. Try to stop back in next time. Maybe we'll